Hey guys, it's Erica, and right now I am at Green Thumb Nursery in Santa Clarita. The one that I went to last time was in Canoga Park. They're pretty close to each other. They're in like the valley, San Fernando Valley area, so they're pretty close to each other if you live in the San Fernando Valley or the Santa Clarita Valley, I guess. But this is my favorite Green Thumb Nursery. I come here really often, and so we're gonna tour them, see what they have. Sometimes they have some really cool random plants. There also might be a lot of ads in this video because all the ad revenue is gonna be donated to a Black Lives Matters organization for 30 days, so that's gonna be happening, and we're gonna go see what this nursery has. Okay, here we go. So this is their little greenhouse. Now we're kind of by a fan and I'm wearing a mask, so we'll see how this goes. But over here, this is their kind of like, it looks very empty. They're kind of out of stock right now, but they have some little cacti. This is it, $9 Fishbone Cactus. It has some sedums. Some of these that you find at like Home Depot and stuff, these are $7.49. And then little baby, what are these? Crown of Thorns for $4.99. They're so tiny. And then over here we got some Devil's Backbone for $7.99. And then Rip Solid, oh no, these are trailing Firesticks. I don't know how much they are though. This nursery does have a lot of the similar plants that the other one does because they're both green thumbs. Ooh, I don't know what these are called, but usually they're kind of small. These are in like bigger pots. They're $14.99. They have a really cool like leopard skin and purple on the underside. Some ficuses, a variegated one. How much are these? $13.99. Okay. And then we have some Scheffleras. And up here there are pothos. This looks like a Cissus. For $14.99. Not sure what kind though. And then we have an Enjoy pothos. Some golden Dracaenas. Some heartleaf philodendrons. These are $14.99. There's a single Croton here. Don't know how much it is. I don't know what these are. These are Drezines? I guess it's an herb. We got a little zebra plant, $14.99, and then some Aglaonemas. These are $19.99. Really pretty reddish, pinkish color. Oh, not that leaf. Very colorful. And on this side, there's just some bigger ficuses. Some African violets here. These look like, they don't look too healthy. They have really pretty flowers. I really love how like African violets have different flowers, and then some of their leaves can be different. This is, I think, the most common one that you'll find at like Home Depot and stuff. How much is this? Oh, these are only $1. I think these are clearance ones because they're not doing well. I actually think I'm gonna get this one if these are clearance. If you can get an African violet on clearance, that is the best option because they're so easy to take care of. They will bounce right back and you only paid $1 for them. So I think I'm gonna get this if this is on clearance, and then that means this may be on clearance also. Look how pretty. I really love orchids. But I've been wanting one with variegated leaves, and also I think these flowers are really pretty, so yay. Over here there are some, these are the Venus flytraps, and then the octopus plants. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't know they had these little flowers. Well, this one you can see one right there. Carnivorous plants. These are some Fizzle Sizzles. These don't look as good as the ones in the other place or the other green thumb, but this one does have a flower. The curls aren't really as tight. as you can see. And then down here we got some more sensitive plants, which are really cool. And I really want one, but if you touch them, the leaves will close up. They're so cute. There's some air plants here. These are $3.99 each unless they have a sticker on them. And then right here is a Raphidophora tetrasperma for $21.99. I think it's the only one. Well, it's the only one that I've seen. Well, we only started right now, so. And then over here, there's a monkey cup, and this one is $21.99. It's got really big cups. They look pretty healthy. Well, I guess. And there is also some little bonsai here. Back over here, we have a really big Maranta. How much is this? $14.99. And then Peperomia Frost, $15.99. Oh, these are really, oh, and then a Rattlesnake Calathea. This one looks like it's closed. It's going to sleep for the night. This is $17.99. And there's some more Begonias. This one really looks like lettuce. And some Pilea peperomioides. This one kind of has a lot of, this one has three plants in one. Oh, this one has 2 in 1 also. This is $24.99. And then there are Anthuriums for $21.99. These are just the red ones. Another Cissus. Some money trees for $9.99. And then bigger money trees down here for $21.99. And then even bigger for $69.99. And up here there are some, oh, this is not good lighting. Up here are some spider plants, ivies, this coconut plant. These are really cool. This is $44.99 though. Wow. Just little sprouting up. Oh, and then goldfish plants up here. They don't have any flowers at the moment. A Tradescantia. And then Spathiphyllums. Oh, peace lilies. And these not papas. Monstera deliciosas. I really love these big heart-shaped leaves. So pretty. How much are they? They're $14.99. And then there's a bigger one here for $70. It's got some center fenestrations. Ooh, very nice. This is cool. This is $16.99. This looks like a type of fern, but I'm not sure what kind it is. It's very like crinkled. It kind of is in the shape of like a Tillandsia xerographica. So that's pretty cute, pretty cute. Oh, okay, here are the like healthy African violets. The small baby ones are $3.99. And then the bigger ones are $6. So we're getting a really good discount. Yes! Wow, look at the leaves on this one. And I like the flowers too, wow. Let's see, this one is mine. It's very pink. Oh, I like that flower. This is also like the little orchid section. They got all these orchids. Some little big ones. Orchids are so pretty. And then some more Anthuriums for $9.89. There's like the red ones, and then there's like a white one right here. And then bromeliad. Look at these baby Fiddle Leaf Figs. They're $14.99. They look so healthy. That is so cute. Over here, some little polka dot plants. And then ferns. These are $5.99. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, I guess all the 4-inch houseplants are $5.99. These are some Peperomia Rossos. And I don't remember what this plant is called right now. I think it's a type of peperomia though. And then some Begonias, little ferns, and ivy. Oh, and then some Dracaena marginatas. Oh, the little legs. So we're back at kind of like the cacti-ish area, and there are some sedums, some string of pearls. There's these really good sized string of dolphins. They are $15.99 each. And there's also different Hoyas. So we have a Hoya Crimson Princess. And then Hoya Hindu Rope. These are $27. I think that's kind of a lot. Some bear pods, gasteria, more ivies. Oh, and then little baby curly lipsticks. These are so cute. These are $6.99. Some more begonias. And then this is like the Calathea Central, the 4-inch Calathea Central. So there are some Rattlesnake Calatheas. They all kind of look like they're going to sleep. And then I'm blanking on the name right now, but it's like a I'll write it down because I know that I just can't remember it right now. So pretty. And then some medallions here. Some little enjoys and Brazils. Over here are the Kerri eyes. Oh, small frost for $6.99. And then we got the fake rubber trees. Some more goldfish plants, ZZ plants, some smaller pileas, and then this right here is the Sansevieria section. It looks like this one was broken off, so free plant. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that is literally like a free plant. That's an extra plant right there. And we got these are cylindricas, braided cylindricas for $16. Wow, they're cleared out. I wonder when they're gonna restock. This is not a good day to film here. But here they have whale fins here. This is $65. It has 4 little whale fins in here. I think that's a lot of money, but if you really want a whale fin, this is the spot. You can get one here. I feel like that's been there for a while and no one's bought it yet, so. And then here are the beautiful rubber trees. Absolutely gorgeous. And then my favorite Dieffenbachia tropic snow. Look at these, like, this plant is absolutely gorgeous. It is $38.99. Look how beautiful these huge leaves are. It's just so pretty. And then down here we have a little Camille also. It's just a little baby one. No price on it though. And that is it for their little section. Pretty nice, huh? It's kind of empty today, but sometimes they have some really cool plants in here, just like randomly. Like they have the raft today, that's pretty cool, but the other one had it as well, so I don't know, I just really like it here. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys their like little succulent section. These are the prices for them though. They have so many cute, oh my gosh, they have these too. I'm gonna get one of these this time because they're actually blooming. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, my shadow is in the way. These are so pretty. I am 100% buying one of these. These are so cute. Wow. Oh, here's some like healthier looking Fizzle Sizzles. Oh, there's a little baby ruby necklace. That's so cute. Oh, little flowers on this one. I love when cacti and succulents have flowers on them. That is like one of my favorite things ever. But yeah, that's about everything. This place is really nice. Highly recommend it. There's the little houseplant. Okay, so there's a huge steering wheel in the way, but I want to show you my plants that I got. So this is the African violet, and I just spilled some soil. Okay, we're gonna hold this. This is the African violet, and it has some little variegation on the leaves, and the flowers are so pretty. They have like a little edging. This is just the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna have to try and revive it. And then I also got this little cactus. I specifically chose this one because it has 4 flowers that are about to bloom, and it's just like the cutest thing ever. The flowers are gonna be so pretty. So I don't know what it's called, but it was more expensive than the African violet. It was like $2 and something cents. Here's the African violet. The leaves are really sad. I'm gonna have to cut off the bad leaves, probably cut off the flowers too, and then we're gonna put it into, we're just gonna revive it, and it's gonna be so beautiful and blooming in no time. I'm so excited, it's so pretty. But yeah, definitely buy your African violets on clearance for $1. It's the best deal. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!